Oh, go get him. Alright, it's 6:45 a.m. Caffeine and octane day. Yep, here we go. I'm filming my 50 for a second because, yeah. What? Also, somebody please explain. I am confusion. What? Is it supposed to be an F1? Maybe? Or is I don't, yeah. What that? What is that? Yeah. Oh, just missed it. The Porsche just hit the other car. They just hit him. Oh no. Dude, they just hit him. Oh. This one's pretty rad. We got the blue SBR. That's pretty cool. Evil Jag. Camo. And this Viper is pretty badass. And V6. Like a matte gray. We got the Ferrari drift car, the Formula Drift Ferrari. It's insane. Check it out. Look at the inside.
Thanks for coming to Caffeine and Octane. We appreciate your support. Enjoy the show.
The original Ferrari stuff here in the shifter, and they gutted the inside. I think it's pretty sweet. Now this is a classic car I'd take. This is insane. Check out how cool this thing is. White interior. It's got a Chevy badge on it and Corvette wheels. So I'm not really sure what the story about this is, but it looks pretty sick. Got a license plate on it. Just take this thing home. Crazy. So, fun fact, this car, nice. Oh, go get him. Is it going to get him? Yep. Yep, they're going to get him. He's going to hunt him down. He's on the hunt. So anyway, what I was saying was, this is actually Plasti dipped. If you remember, shot this a while ago. Scroll down my Instagram, you'll find a couple pictures of it from a long time ago when we shot it. Yeah, love it. It's so cool how it changes colors. Oh, they found him. They found him. And another GT2 RS with like a 12-year-old driver. Okay. My man Hassan brought it his 458 today. Got that dark front windshield tint. All around dark window tint, really. Alright, so we got the Jaguar. He's in the Ferrari shirt and the Ferrari hat. Hopping into the Jaguar. With the Jaguar. Yeah. Wait, this is. Yeah.
'Cause.
Yeah. Driving a plane. 'Cause. 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 because why not? Okay, cool. McLaren going by. Uh-oh, I'm getting some parking tickets for parking on the curb. Gorgeous color in the 650S Spider. Gotta leave the door up to flex. Looking good. I like the exhaust, a little aftermarket. Oh, oh, oh. And Huracan. Alright, it was time to switch lenses. People are starting to show up and I can't be as far back as I wanted to with the 50, so... Excuse, that was a 4-cylinder Mustang. Yikes. Anyway, yeah, I'm sure y'all are happier now. Much better video. Don't have to be so close to everything. Look at this, GT3 RS, GT3 RS, GT3 RS, GT2 RS, and the Carrera GT. Get a little better video of this now. Love it. I think it's got like 4,600 miles on it or something. So, it gets driven every once in a while. Well, we got the Rowdy Crew, the Drive Fast Club showed up. All my friends are here now. 720S Spider that just okay. He destroyed everybody at the airstrip yesterday. It was insane. Gave a, I think it was Huracan, like a half a mile head start and destroyed it. Don't leave your car here for Caffeine Octane, you'll get towed. Uh-oh. So we got the rolls with camo duct tape. Yeah, I guess, I mean, yeah. Look at the dog on the shoulders, just chilling. He's just chilling on the shoulders. Yes. Yo, I need to get to this man's level. The GoPro photography. Yes. The blue Ariel Atom. Excuse me. I think it's so cool. You can just see all the suspension here that's just exposed. They recognize this NSX. It was in Fast and Furious. Yeah. And we're just throwing pamphlets and cars. Look at the color in the sun. The gold brush wheels too. Tuna, no crust.
What? Tony's tag.
Check out this Beetle. There we go. Just blacked out with the yellow headlights. Better look at the Formula Drift Ferrari. The top off now, the hood off. Just crazy. This is insane. I love this thing. I think it's a body kit built on a chassis of a Corvette. But I mean... Oh, with the suicide doors? Like you could stand in there. That's so cool. Almost his size. Look at that. I don't know. We got the dog in socks. Yes. 488 Spider. Oh, careful now. I love USA. Yeah.
I'd shit myself out here.
Uh-oh. Got him.
Got the
again. Got him again.
Gotta catch them all.
So I looked this up. It's called a Miami GT. They're pretty cool, actually. I don't know much about them. I'll have to do more research, but it's not like supposed to be anything else. I don't know, but there you go, Miami GT. And that's going to conclude this month of Caffeine and Octane. Yeah, that was a wild one for sure. But we'll see you soon at Caffeine and Exotics in a couple weeks.